Yo, yo, yo. What's up, everybody? CPA Strength here. Represent my Oregon gear. Go Ducks. I don't know why. I had it on. That's why. That's why I have. Yo. What's up, All Pro? Yo, I decided to check in. I'm using checking some new stuff out, new camera. Oh, gotta work on the focus of the camera. Anyways, yeah, I'm having I guess it's the end of tax season. And for the first time in forever, yo, what's up? 8 people up in here, yo, what's good? I gotta try to get used to this new camera. Made the new angle. Oh, I got one like, hey, what's up? I know I gotta look in the camera. Hopefully everyone can hear me. Ooh, I was watching some powerlifting on my other TV over here. Hello, Rosemary. How you doing? I'm doing good. I'm ending up tax season here, and for the first time in forever, I don't have like someone up my butt. I'm not late on someone's tax return or something. And I was like, you know what? I got this this new camera I'm trying out. So I was like, yo, let me try out the new camera. I don't know how close I got to get to the microphone so you guys can hear it, but I'll work on it. That was like my JJ. What's up, Danny? Hey, what's up, Lauren? Lauren's up in here, our resident Canadian, our favorite Canadian. What's going on up there in Canada? I know you hunt. What hunting season is it up there now? Envious of my hairline? Hey, I got something. Yes, I know I have hair. That's why I'm like, you know what? You can't see how jacked up the back of it is. Finally get nice up there. Awesome. Yeah, you can't see how jacked up the back of my or the sides or back. I usually wear a hat, but I'm like, you know what? Whatever. This is just for the internet. But yeah, this is for the YouTubes. Anyways, yo, DCM, the push-up king on here. I know. I got a really weird my live streams are kind of weird, but it looks just fine. Yeah, thanks, bro. DCM's got the hair too, though. Oh, I've been so busy, DCM. Are you still doing your push-ups every day? How many days of push-ups are you on? Finally getting nice up in Canada. Yeah, I just felt like chatting, really. Dude, 215 days. Y'all you can go check DCM's channel. You can click on his channel, DCM. Been live for that many days. Oh, you know what I could do? I gotta start. He's been live for 215 days. Oh boy. Of course I get a work message right when I'm on here. So yeah, now that's got me a little sidetracked right now. Trying to scare my subs with what? With how many push-ups you're doing? Your live stream stopped working? Well, that's crazy. Try streaming on something else then. Yeah, try streaming on something else. Yeah, bad call live streaming because I don't know if I feel like I can't be dealing with this client now that when I'm live streaming, and then I can't think. That's all I can think about right now. But he can wait a few minutes. But yeah, I'm blessed for every client I have. I know that much. But yeah, it's been a long tax season. We're bouncing back. We did. I don't know. For me, it seems like a lot of people to see, a lot of people to talk to. But yeah, for the first time, I could come up for some air. We're ending the season up in a few weeks. I guess April 15th is the end of the tax season, and For the first time, I was able to come up for some air where I didn't have somebody on my butt. Oh, hey, Nancy No Nose is in here. How you doing? What's up, LBZ? Yeah, good audio. Thank you. I'm glad I try. We're trying over here. We are trying. Yeah, so I came up for some air. Been doing some things. And did anybody yo, I wanted to ask you, Nancy No special shout out to LBZ in the chat. Hope you're having a good Friday, LBZ. So who did their tax returns this year, and how did they turn out? How did they turn out for everybody? Like, did you get more or less? Were you happy? Were you not happy? Did anybody notice? Oh, cool. I know how to. Thank you so much for your accounting videos. They help me a lot. You are welcome, Keely. That's, I believe, what my channel's, why I have most of my subs for my first accounting video, really. The number one, the secret, because I funneled everything over to that one. I don't know. But thank you. Keely, what was the first video of mine you saw? What's the first accounting video? DC Adler. Danny Renato. Love that DC Adler. It's been helping you out, Danny. DC Adler's been helping you out. Oh, did anybody notice that they changed the tax return from 2 pages to 1 page this year? Yes, a lot. Cool. Like, were you struggling? Were you struggling before you learned the DC Adler? Do you still write it down? Hey, we got 14. I got 14 in chat. That's kind of a lot for me. I think the most I've ever had for a live stream was like 20, 25 or something. Hey, good morning, Abifta. But definitely, Adrian, your first accounting class is killing you. Bro, you found my channel, man. I'm telling you, like, you see, look, Danny, it helped him, DC Adler. Keely, it's helped her. So you just got to practice a lot with DC Adler. Practice. I mean, that's a good. You just got debits on the left, credits on the right. You'll know that. Adrian, just practice. Oh my God, chat's starting to go pretty fast. This is crazy. We got 15 people in chat. What? Oh shit. Oh, I don't want to curse, man. Oh, they'll demonetize me so quick. Oh. Gigi, I'm currently finishing my first year in college, major in accounting, and you're helping me a lot. That's awesome. Hey, you know what? That makes me happy. That makes me pretty happy there. I can change. I can change how I can move. I can sit up. I'm gonna sit up a little bit. Okay. Hey, I'm gonna sit up a little bit. Hope this doesn't come out. Hey. Okay. We chilling. I'm glad I'm helping. What's the DC Adler helping a lot? Balance sheet. Yeah, at least you know the balance sheet. What's that? That's on DC Adler. Assets equal liability plus equity. Minus draw. Plus net income. My videos are helpful. You're welcome. What would be an average tax amount you pay on income in the States? Can government charges U.S. out the the Canadian government charges us out the ass. Yeah, but you guys got healthcare up in Canada? Universal healthcare? You got is dentist included? I guess you get dentists too, because I could use a dentist right now. But you guys get some stuff, and it's like there's not much crime up in Canada, and you have well, I mean, compared to South Florida, that's probably most places. But I would say the tax rates are changing and stuff, but I'd say you pay about, I don't know, like maybe 15% of your income. Maybe if you had I don't know, I think like maybe 40 to 60,000 of income, less than that 10%, um up to like 30, 35, 40%. But I'd say on average you usually pay, and then it's marginal too. I would say, 10 to 15% for most people is what you would pay on your income. What about up in Canada? How was intermediate accounting one? Hard. I struggled through all the accounting. Um and then I had to learn it to pass the CPA exams. I really had to know the accounting like front to back. And then so I learned, I was watching YouTube. These one videos had Adler in there, so that like made a lot of sense to me. And I just put on the DC on front of there and ran with it and made like 130 something videos after I learned it though. And I finally, with DC Adler, I finally like understood a couple of things that I already had my accounting degree and I didn't even understand them yet. So personal deduction was eliminated this year. Rosemary, that's pretty smart. That's pretty smart of you. Um, Personal exemption. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry to get the exact, but it is a deduction. It was $4,000 or 4,050, I believe it was, but it was about a $4,000 deduction for everybody on your tax return. So if you were married, that was $8,000 deduction. If you had if you were married and had two kids, that would be four personal exemptions. So that would be 16 $16,000 deducted from your income. So they took away with that and they pretty much doubled standard deduction this year. So all you hear is, oh, we doubled standard deduction. They took away personal exemption. I'd say for the vast majority of people, it kind of washed out. I know for a single person, I get for a single taxpayer, no dependents. I think last year I got, $6,000, $4,000, $10,000 deduction. And this year with just the standard deduction being 12,000, I got 12,000. So I came out on top like $2,000 more exemptions. But yes, they took away with that. It's doubled standard deduction. Your accounting lessons helped me, man. Thanks. You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. What's the topic today? Didn't really have one. Tax season ending. I think in the title it's like, how was your tax year? Like, did you get more back or less back? Oh, okay. Yeah, like, I guess that makes sense. You say up in Canada you pay for vision, dental, anything other than an average checkup. I guess that makes sense. I'm just like, oh, they pay for everything, but I guess free doctors is good enough. Thanks, Lauren. She's our resident. Lauren, thank you very much. Our resident Canadian. Do you have any employees working in my office? No. Let's see. I have Tupac over there. So we have Tupac. That's our. He works here. Huh. Oh. Oh, you can't see out the window. Yeah, well, next time we'll go by the window. Maybe. This is the first time I was able to get this camera, this microphone I'm using, and this camera to both work. I think the camera looks good. I hope it comes out okay. Oh, I gotta skip ahead and chat. I see Simply You. What's up? What's up, girl? How you doing? How's your t-shirts coming along? I hope they're coming along good. I should wear my Simply Made Me a CPA strength shirt, DC Adler. It's funny because I thought she had I thought maybe she had bought one of my shirts or something, but she made one of her own. I was like, you didn't have to do that. That was so nice. BRBS, be right back soon. I think that's what that means. Is that what BRBS? Do I have any employees? No, just Tupac. I still have to do my taxes. Mark, at least file an extension. At least file an extension. I'll get to that for someone when I catch up with chat. Chat's moving for me. We got 16 people up in chat. What's up? Thanks for everybody being in chat. If you could like the video, it really helps the video get out there. I need that, my boy. If I was in Florida, would you let me intern with you? I don't know, maybe. I would sign off on your CPA thing. That's something maybe I would do in the future. I kind of enjoy right now, and especially after tax season being over, that I can come and go as I want and not have to worry about anybody else. But possibly, I'm kind of getting tired of just being alone all the time, office by myself. Adrian, you have to pay $12K to Uncle Sam. Okay, well, you must have made a lot of money. I mean, not how much money did you make to have to pay $12K, and you didn't pay? Maybe that's all 1099 money, or like not taxed money already. Like you weren't on W-2 to pay all that. But hey, that's capital gains. So you made like, I don't know how much. What was your taxable income to have to pay $12K? Like 100. I don't know. How much capital gains did you have to pay $12K? 100,000 capital gains would be 12% would be $12K. Hey, CPA Strength, I love your videos. I came from a similar past and turned things around. These videos keep me going. Oh, that's what's up, Chris. Bro, that's awesome, man. Yeah, it's good. It's cool to turn things around. I'll check. Do you have a do you make videos or anything? I see you have a picture in your YouTube thing. What are you doing? What are you doing these days, Chris? I guess similar past. So we'll just say troubled. Yeah. What's up, Simply? Yeah. What should I do to get a CPA? Make sure you really want to be a CPA. No. Every state's different. Look for your states. Go to your state's website and see what you need, and get ready for one of the toughest battles of your life, one of the most rewarding battles of your life. Camera looks great. I think so too. We have an Arabic, and I'm not sure what that is. Funny thing is, because people can go on videos and they can say if they want to translate them or not. If they want to translate the video, yeah, people can translate the videos, and I approve it or whatever. So I got captions in Arabic and Spanish and some other languages, and then I just got someone said, "Hey, thanks for the translated version in Arabic." I saw it. Maybe that was one of them. What's the benefits of having a CPA? I don't know. It's a good credential. I guess it would show there's not a CPA in every corner. I mean, there's like 600,000 in the US. So there's just not that many CPAs. I guess credibility with other CPAs, and it's just like a generic term like Oh, you need to get yourself a CPA, or I'm gonna talk. I gotta go to CPA, and I don't know. It's just I don't know. I really just I wanted it because, well, I guess you can. Well, I mean, you can demand more money. I guess for job. Not. I guess it's more money in the business world, and it would just seem really tough. And I just was up for that challenge. I wanted to see if I could do it. Yo, man, how are you? You're really looking good, bro. All right, thank you. Uh, looking good. Thank you very much. How am I doing? I'm doing good. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be. Uh, I was distracted by something, but yeah, how am I doing? I'm doing good. Like I have my good days, my bad days. Pretty much not the whole day, but my good moments, my bad moments. And overall, though, I'm showing up now a lot more. I'm listening to like motivational stuff on YouTube like almost every day. I'm getting up, going to the gym, and then I am basically going to the coming to the office 6 days a week, and being at the office from 8 to 5. And I've been bringing my lunch and everything, so I'll take like a 10-minute walk, and that's it. And the rest of the day, I just try to study or work. So I'm showing up, and I'm gaining a little business back from what I had, and we're getting there. Capital gain 127K. Dude, that's a good year, bro. So you made a good little chunk. Day trading, Adrian, or where are those capital gains from? Uh, do you sell a rental house or something? Probably around 120. Yeah, there you go. So what's that? 12. Yeah, 120. That's 10. Yeah, 10%. Right. Okay. So that's what I thought. I thought 100,000, a little bit more. 127,000. Mm-hmm. T-shirt business is coming along, making some sales. Yo, that's what's up. Proud of you, girl. That's the first step, right? Making some sale. As if you ask me what's the first thing you want to do in business? Make a couple sales. I mean, figure it out. Make some sales, figure it out. Audio's good. Thank you. I like it. I don't make videos. Yeah, troubled past. You're paramedic now. Oh, and software development. That's cool, bro. You're a paramedic now. I thought about maybe being a paramedic or something, but I'm glad my accounting videos can help. Matt, bro, where's your pictures all dark and shit? That's pretty funny. Finally caught a live stream. I'm in the UK, 16 years old, and recently got interested in accounting. Your videos are helping. DC Adler. Oh, that's what's up. Got my videos can help out. Will you ever rap on your channel? Probably yes. Yes, I probably will. Not saying it's going to be good or anything, but when the time and the mood and the place is right, yes. You just have to keep watching for that. Cool. I finally caught up on chat, and who was saying, oh, Mark, you were saying you didn't file yet. Or if anybody in chat or listening later has not filed your taxes yet, here's a couple things. If you don't file on time, you're gonna the penalties are gonna accrue. Okay, yeah, just do it before the 15th, April 15th is when personals are due, or just do it as soon as possible, really. Now, if you're not gonna file at least file an extension. I'm sure you can do those online. If you have a tax prepared, they'll probably just do it for you. I know I worked at H&R. I think we used to do extensions for free. I'm sure you can do it online, but that's basically if you owe taxes or not. Now, how do you know if you owe before you do the tax return? You're not really going to know that, are you? But usually if you're a W-2 employee, but it gets weird now, if you have a family and exemptions and other people, or if you're married, and you just never really know. But usually if you're a W-2 employee that has federal withholdings taken out, Social Security, Medicare, has their taxes taken out, then you're going to get a refund. So if you get a refund, there's no penalty for not filing, because they really hope you never file. So because you only have 3 years to claim that refund. And now if you owe money, here's the thing: if you owe money, you can file an extension, but that is extension of time to file, not to pay. So look here, if you don't do anything, you get penalized 5.5% a month. If you file an extension but don't pay, or file your tax return but don't pay the money, that's just a 0.5% penalty per month. So it's a lot better penalty. So if that didn't make sense, just do something by April 15th. Preferably file. You don't have to pay right then if you don't have it, but at least file. If you can't file your tax return by April 15th, do an extension. Don't just do nothing. I mean, it's going to be bad if you owe money. So yeah. Usually do what? Usually get a refund, or usually owe money. Mark. Usually owe. So do you have are you self-employed, Mark? Or do you have your Schedule C on your tax return? Or are you 1099? You W-2'd with lots of deductions, so they don't take much out in federal withholdings? You back to pumping iron in the gym these days? Yeah, I am actually. I've had some really good workouts the past couple weeks. I've been making myself go. I've been getting up early in the morning, going to the gym at 5 to 6 in the morning, or get up at 5. From 6 to 7 in the morning, I've been going to the gym, maybe 50-minute workout, but sometimes an hour. But yeah, I've been getting up, making myself go 5 days a week. Just much like coming to work, and much like most of my days now, that some days are going to be off, some workouts are off, but I'm having some decent workouts, and I'm making myself go 5 days a week now. So yeah, I'm back at it after mathematics. There, I just wrapped. I'm looking at doing AAT, ACA fast track course after leaving school when I have my A levels. Okay. I'm going to try and get on a training contract where I earn and work. Going to be super litty, fam. Yo, that sounds lit AF, dog. Seriously, that sounds dope. All the best to you, man. Just stick with it. Pretty much, I'm saying this for me, but you can do anything you want, right? What were the hardest accounting classes you remember taking? There's 3 intermediates. There's when I was in college, when I went to Florida Atlantic University, I graduated in like 2012. What were the hardest classes? There was intermediate accounting 1. I think that was like the first accounting class of my junior year. Intermediate 1, intermediate 2, and intermediate 3, and they were all pretty hard, and they got harder and harder as they went. Intermediate 1, if I studied, I could do like decent. Number 2, I studied a lot and barely got by. Intermediate 3, I found out test banks, thank God, because I didn't understand anything. They were hard. And I was like, okay, so those were like pretty much straight up accounting classes. So I'm like, okay, I'm getting an accounting degree, and the accounting classes are the hardest for me. Like, what am I doing? So oh, you have investments. Okay, so capital gains and stuff. That's how you estimated how much our friend had in capital gains and stuff, investments. Good for you, man. I need to get in that game, bro. Dang. I should get into Bitcoin now. Now I think it's a good time, right? No, I don't know. I guess, is it going to go up? Is Bitcoin good? What investments do you have? Because I'm trying to get me some investments that pay. I'm trying to pay some money, because that means I made some money. Oh, you want 10 hardest, 1 easiest? What would I rate the entire CPA experience? Well, for me, 10. 11 out of 10. Hard. All right, got to go. All right, Mark. Good to have you here, buddy. Matthew, you thought they were all hard until you learned DC Adler? That's what's up. I agree, actually, for me as well. Intermediate 1 is where the non-accounting people decide to switch to a marketing major. That's funny because, dude, that's so funny because I almost did that. Like, I was like, oh, what am I doing? I was like, no, I want to be a CPA, though. I recently passed intermediate 1 and 2, kicked my ass, but thank the good Lord I passed. Yeah. Daniel, I feel you on that. That's about how I was, too. All right. Well, you know what? I want to thank everyone for being here. I just really wanted to test. Oh, what's up, Michelle? Happy Friday to you, too. You practically saved my college career. Although I was a finance major, I still had to pass 3 accounting classes. Yeah. I've helped a lot of people out like that, too, because it's kind of a lot. Like, it's a lot, DCO. It's a lot if you don't care about it. But anyways, yeah, I've been on here 33 minutes. I have clients that I need to do stuff for, and I do feel a little guilty doing live streaming, doing YouTube. I don't know, although it is an income stream, but I just feel like during tax season, if I have like client work to do or something to do for them, I should do it. I'm just thinking about it. So, oh, Michelle, I didn't realize you're a tax. Are you a tax preparer? I'm going to be gone to say, are you a tax preparer, Michelle? I didn't know I had any other tax preparers. Have a great, very productive day. All right, so I can't keep on doing this. I'm sorry. I can't keep on saying goodbye and then looking at chat, and then that's not good. So we're just gonna end it. I hope everyone has a blessed day. Thank you for being here. I'm gonna start having a better schedule later on. But anyways, yeah, 17 days left. Is that 17 days? Dude, we'll have to talk next time. I'm out of here. Later, y'all. Have a blessed day, everybody.